recently found a pretty cool loophole. Credits to our Mishra for finding it. I'll link his stuff down in the description. But if your account is restricted from making any Google Meets and it says your account only lets you join meetings, there's actually a loophole to this. So what you have to do is you have to access Google Calendar, which you can probably figure out. Just look up Google Calendar or go to your Google screen, click up here and go to Calendar. And then you have to make a new calendar. It cannot work on any pre-existing calendars. You have to make a new one. So to do that, you have to go to down here, bottom left corner, and click on the plus that says Add Other Calendars, and create new calendar. The name of the calendar doesn't matter. You can name it anything, and click Create Calendar. After that, head back to the calendar, and what you're gonna do is just make an event anywhere. It doesn't matter where. You can, whoop, event. Right here it says Add Rooms or Location. Click on that. There's going to be something that pops up that says Add Conferencing, but you don't see it right now because you're on a pre-existing calendar. You have to go to the new calendar that you just made. Click on it, and there we go. Boom, Add Conferencing, and you just created your own Google Meets room. You can click on it. You can click Google Hangouts Meet. You can share your code with friends. You can have other people join, and there you have your own Google Meets.